If you spend any time with me at all in person, you will learn that I am not in real estate just for the pretty homes. I think it is the perfect wealth growing strategy, and that's really the heart of why I'm in real estate. So that is why today this home feels really special to me. It's a special purchase because I think it's a great investment. I'm Debbie Bird with League Real Estate, and welcome back to the channel. Can't wait to show you this home. Come on.
It's been said that it's impossible to find an affordable starter home that isn't a dump or in some terrible neighborhood these days. But what if I told you I found the perfect, maintained, most precious home on a beautiful tree-lined street in Arlington? Look, your first home is always going to feel outrageously expensive. A home is a huge purchase. But the truth is, over time, the cost is going to continue to go up. So to find a little gem that's well built and in great condition and under everything else you find in the market, it's something to pay attention to. So I want you to take a look at this one. It's 5620 ATLANTIS Terrace in Arlington. Built in 1977, this little 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has 1,244 square feet, plus an additional large screened-in porch for enjoying coffee in the mornings or dinner with friends on a nice night. So look how clean this garage is. One of the things I love about this garage is that it has this deep space in the back for either storage or a long truck, which is very, very rare to find in a garage. Okay, now we have this great open living area space with a wood burning fireplace. And then if you notice the floors, they are brand new laminate floors that are out throughout the whole house in this living area, all the bedrooms, even the closets. Now I've got a cute little breakfast area. Love that vintage range. Hood, it's so cute. A little galley kitchen. Hello. And then the laundry is here in the kitchen. Great full-size washer dryer area that is not in the garage, which is also a little bit rare for this size of home in this age. All right, we'll take a look down the hallway. There is a little bedroom here that the owners use as an office. Cute little 10 by 10 room. This home also has blown-in insulation, double-paned windows, and a 2-year-old heat pump, which makes it very energy efficient. Tons of storage right here in the hallway. Love that deep, deep cabinet. And then right here, we have a hall bath. You may notice that the tile doesn't go all the way up. It's because it only has a bathtub, not a shower. I did price out getting it done, and it's about $3,200. All right, so here is the primary bedroom. Take a look at this closet. It's actually really, really large for this age of home. Okay, I don't think I've mentioned that this home is priced right now at $289,000. That is under $300,000 for a home in Arlington, Texas. Such a great location. Then we'll go into the primary ensuite bath. It is small, which is very standard for this age of home, but the shower is brand new, just installed a month ago with new plumbing. And then we will go back out to my favorite part of this whole property, which I mentioned before in the intro, but you're gonna love it. It's so cute. Okay, look how big this thing is. It's so awesome. It's really structurally very well built. Screen porch. The current owners want to leave that big new beautiful table and chairs for the next owner. It also has a large shed in the back so that you can park your cars in the garage and not all of your yard tools. But that yard is so big, perfect for a dog, a trampoline, a play set, any of that kind of stuff. All right, let's talk location for a minute. This place is in Arlington, Texas, in between Interstates 20 and 30, so it's very easy access to Dallas or Fort Worth, not to mention just 15 minutes to Globe Life Field, AT&T Stadium, or Six Flags Over Texas. And it's under a mile to major grocery stores, several fast food and coffee chains, and international foods like Japanese, Mediterranean, and of course, Mexican food.
Whether you are a first-time buyer or you're an investor looking for a really great opportunity in a really nice spot in Arlington, Texas, near all the stadiums and all the things like Six Flags Over Texas, either one, I think that this little house is a great buy. It's well maintained, and I am all about long-term investments with real estate. So if you're interested in this, you can give me a call or drop a comment on the box, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.